Hi. Welcome to the next video of the Git tutorial series. In the previous video, we learned how to unstitch files, how to revert a commit, and how to check commit logs. While doing so, we purposely kept this second text file unstaged. You can see a U mark written over here. That means this file is untracked. It has neither been staged nor committed. Okay. Before starting our new lesson, first, let's stage, commit, and push this file to the GitHub. First, let's check the Git status. See, it says that the second text file is still untracked. Okay. Write the git add command like this to stage this file. Check Git status again. See, now the file is staged and is ready to be committed. See here, we can see an mark written near this file. A mark means this file has been added to the staged area. Okay, now, write the git commit command like this. The second file is also committed now. Check Git status. It says that, nothing to commit, working tree clean. Okay. Now, let's push this file to the GitHub. Write the git push command like this. The second file has been pushed to the GitHub. Go to the GitHub repository and refresh the page once. See, the second file is now present here. Okay. Let's begin our new lesson. In this lesson, we will learn about the git pull and git push commands. We already know and have used the git push command several times before. So, what is this git pull command? And where do we use it? Imagine a scenario where you and your colleague are both working on this project. Both of you have the latest version of the project on your own computer. You start working independently. You create a new file called file number 3. You have a lot of work to do in this file. Simultaneously, your colleague has created a new file in the same project, on their own computer. He named that file, file number 4. His work was easier and he completed it quickly. Now, he wants to upload his work to the GitHub repository. So, first, he will do the git pull command. What this command does is, first, it looks at the remote repository, like GitHub, to see if there are new changes. Then, it downloads those changes to your computer. And then, it merges the new changes with your local files so your code is up to date. So before your colleague could upload his new work on the GitHub, he wanted to check if there were any newer things available on the GitHub repository or not. Those newer things could be uploaded by you or some other colleague of yours who is also working on this project. So, your colleague first wants to make sure that he gets the latest version of the project from the GitHub repository. So he uses the git pull command. If there are any new changes to be downloaded, those will be downloaded on his computer. And then, he will do the git push command and upload his newly created file number 4 to the Git repository. Since we do not have anyone else to demonstrate this task, what we will do is we will create file number 4 on GitHub directly ourselves. See, we have ourselves created a file number 4. Just imagine that this file was created and pushed to the GitHub by your colleague. Okay. While he was doing all this, you were still working on your side of the project, on file number 3. Now, your work is done. You also want to push your file number 3 to the GitHub. But first, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of the project, as it is on the GitHub. So just like your colleague did, you will also have to do the git pull command first. Open the terminal and write the git pull command like this. And hit enter. See, it has downloaded the latest changes from the GitHub. And now we have file number 4, which was created by my colleague, on my computer. So in short, using the git pull command, we have pulled the latest version of the project from the GitHub repository. Now, we can push our file number 3 to the GitHub. First, we need to stage the file. Write the git add command like this to stage file number 3. The file is now staged. Now, write the git commit command like this to commit the file. See, file number 3 has been committed. Now, write the git push command like this to push the file to the GitHub. The file has been pushed to the GitHub. Go to GitHub repository and refresh the page once. See, file number 3 is also present here now. Okay. So tomorrow, when your colleague starts working on something new, he will first perform the git pull command so that the file number 3 that you just uploaded here will be downloaded on his computer. Then he will have the latest version of the project on his side, and he can start his new work. You will also follow the same procedure. Each time you start a new work, and if you are working with someone else on the same project, make sure that you have the latest version on your side using the git pull command. And then start your new work. Okay. In the next tutorial, we will learn how to handle merge conflicts while performing a git pull. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.